Hello my dear students, this is Sir Gaurdiman welcomes you all in our Path Maths online classes. Yes dear students, we have completed 12 chapters till now and today we are going to start the chapter number 13 which is the last topic of your syllabus. And the topic which we are going to discuss today is known as probability. Yes bachcho, this is the topic which we have already discussed in your lower classes as well. Probability, which is the meaning is your the chances. Probability mean chances or the possibility. Chances for what? Chances of happening any event. So probability is the chances or the uncertainty of any happening the event. किसी भी इवेंट का होने या ना होने के चांसेस को हम बोलते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी. Like if a coin is tossed two times, then the possibility will be there that both coin will be or having head, both coin will have tails. One first coin will show you head and second will show you tail. The first coin will show tail or the second coin may show you head. So chances is there that when a coin is tossed two times, दोनों कॉइन पर हेड हो सकता है, दोनों कॉइन पर टेल आ सकता है. फर्स्ट कॉइन पर हेड, सेकंड पर टेल या फर्स्ट पर टेल या सेकंड पर हेड हो सकता है. दिस टाइप ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटी इज योर नोन एज प्रोबेबिलिटी. Now this is the very familiar topic with all of you because you have discussed this topic in your lower classes as well. But today in this video I am going to tell you all the concepts which is probability contain. I'll recall all the terms, topics or the basic concepts related to probability today first. So let me start with the term experiment. Experiment, my dear students, this is of the two types. Activity, whatever we have performed is known as experiment. जो भी हम काम करते हैं, whatever activity we perform is known as an experiment, and this may be of the two type. Number one is your deterministic. Deterministic experiment, and number second is your random or probabilistic. Now what is a random or the deterministic probability? देखिए बच्चों, जो भी कोई भी एक्सपेरिमेंट हम करते हैं तो नेचुरली द टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ द रिजल्ट विल बी देयर. कोई भी काम जो करेंगे तो उसका रिजल्ट आपको जरूर मिलता है. सो इन केस वेन एवर यू आर हैविंग द कंफर्म्ड रिजल्ट्स, लाइक कुछ भी जो काम करते हैं उसके बारे में कुछ एक आपको डिटर्मिनेशन होती है कि ये दिस विल बी और श्योरली हैपन. अगर इफ आई विल डू दिस वर्क एंड देन दिस इज नोन एज डिटर्मिनिस्टिक. लाइक अगर एक सेट ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स आपके पास है, प्लेन में किसी भी सेट ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स आपके पास है और उनमें से कोई भी एक आप ट्रायंगल को चूज करते हैं, कोई भी एनी टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल यू विल चूज, देन यू हैव determined that you have confirmed that the sum of all the angles of that figure will be or equal to 180 degree. So this is known as deterministic experiment. Now random or the probabilistic experiment is the experiment in which the total possibility or the outcomes are not predicted by you. हर बार जितनी भी आप एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे तो नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स में वेरी. So this is known as your probabilistic or the random experiment. The second term we use in your probability is your sample space. Sample space. Sample space are nothing but the total possible outcomes of an experiment. जो भी हम वर्क करते हैं, जो भी एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे उसके बाद जो टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज होंगी किसी भी एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद, दैट इज नोन एज योर सैंपल स्पेस. लाइक मैंने आपको एग्जांपल लिया था, a coin is tossed two times, then coin is two times, then it may of head tail, tail head or the tail tail. These all possible outcomes are known as your sample space for an experiment when a coin is tossed two times. So sample space for always the total possibility or the result of an experiment. Third case is your event, which we discussed in your law classes as well, events. My dear students, this is very important term, events. Actually the probability of एन इवेंट ऑलवेज अकर्ड, मतलब किसी भी क्वेश्चन के लिए जो प्रोबेबिलिटी एग्जिस्ट करती है वो सिर्फ एक इवेंट के लिए होती है. एंड व्हाट इज दैट इवेंट? इवेंट इज ऑलवेज अ सबसेट ऑफ द सैंपल स्पेस. Means because sample space contain all the possibilities, all the sample space, all the results of an experiment. किसी भी रिजल्ट को करने के बाद जो भी आपको मिलेगा, चाहे वो आपको फेवर में हो चाहे वो आपके अगेंस्ट हो, all the elements will contain sample space. But events are the term which is your subset of the sample space, because event are the term, event is a thing which you want to do, for which you have performed the experiment. Like मैंने कॉइन को टॉस किया और टॉस करने के लिए if you want to obtain exactly one time head, then this willing of getting exactly one time head is your event. So event is the thing whatever you want to do and for which the experiment is to be done. And whenever you will do experiment, the sample space will come, and sample space के अंदर आपके जो फेवर में एलिमेंट हैं और जो आपके अगेंस्ट हैं वो दोनों एग्जिस्ट होंगे. तो जो आपके फेवर में एलिमेंट है वो एक सबसेट होगा, उन सबसेट को बोलते हैं इवेंट. सो इवेंट इज ऑलवेज अ सबसेट ऑफ sample space. Like an example, a coin is tossed 2 times. Let's say this is the coin. Whenever coin is tossed 2 times, the sample space will be on head, tail, head, and tail, tail. But you want exactly one time head only. You need exactly one time head. So this will be the event. This is known as your event to get exactly one time head. And this will be your having element head tail or tail head. So these are the two favorable outcomes, and you can see this is the subset of this sample space. And the probability of an event always occur, because you whatever you want to do is your having chances that will happen or not. So probability of this event will be given by, which is your calculated as number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. And this is your, if you want to obtain exactly one time head, this is your event, then it has only two elements which are in favor of you, head tail and tail head. These are numbered as 2, and total number of possible outcomes are, it may both has tail and head, and it may has tail head or tail head. So this is your 4, and which is answer is 1/2. So 1/2 is the possibility of the event if you want exactly one time head. So these are the terms which already we have discussed. Now let me discuss some experiment which are the mathematical experiment already discussed in lower classes as well. So the first experiment is about tossing a coin. Let me discuss the things what will happen in case whenever coin is tossed 1 time, 2 time, 3 time or the 4 time. Let me discuss with the coin. The case number 1, whenever coin is tossed only 1 time. So in this case, what will be the sample space? It may head or tail, because एक coin को बच्चे toss करते हैं तो या तो head आएगा या फिर tail आएगा. So if you want to find the total number of sample spaces whenever coin is tossed 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, then I know very well a coin has only 2 faces, head or tail. So we have 2 faces, and because it is tossed only 1 time, so it is to be taken as 2 to the power number of throws. In case if you want to find the number of sample spaces, total number of possible outcomes, then in this case you have to take the total number of faces. It has only 2 faces, coin, and take 2 to the power number of throws. If you are throwing 1 time, so possible outcomes will be 2, head or tail only. Whenever coin is tossed 2 times, then it will be taken as 2 to the power 2, which is 4. So it may be both will head tail, tail head or tail tail. But whenever coin is tossed 3 times, so sample space will be of 8 here, and these may be your head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, and tail. So these may be your total number of possible outcomes. And whenever coin is closed 4 times, so this is 2 to the power 4, which will be your 16. The 16 sample space will be there. So let me give a shortcut method to write down the sample space when a coin is closed 2 times, 3 times or 4 times. So let me, क्योंकि 2 बार लिखने का बड़ा इजी है बच्चों, लिखना के लिए sample space लिखना बड़ा इजी है. Let me write down how can we write down the number of sample spaces if coin is closed 3 times. So because we know that the total number of sample space will be 8, so what will we do? Take the half of this number. 8 का half लीजिएगा, कितना बन जाएगा? 4. So write down 4 times head, 4 times tail. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 8 का हाफ मैंने 4 किया था, 4 times head, 4 times tail लिखेंगे. अब 4 का हाफ कीजिएगा, 4 का हाफ कितना होता है? 2. So now write down 2 times head, 2 times tail, like this. Then make half of 2 as well. 2 का half करेंगे 1 time, so 1 time head, 1 time tail, 1 time head, 1 time tail. So these will be your sample space when a coin is closed 3 times. So this is your number of sample space is 8. Now let me write down when the coin is closed 4 times. These will be your 16 sorry. And so 16 का half करेंगे कितना होगा? This will be your 8. So 8 times head, 8 times tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 times head, 8 times tail. I will write down. Now half. Do the half of 8, which is 4. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down half of. Do the half of 4 again. This is 2 times head, 2 times tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, and
Sir,
half of. Do the half of 2. This is your head, tail, tail, tail. So these are the total 16 sample spaces whenever coin shows your 4 times. So in this way you can write down the number of sample spaces when a coin is tossed 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. Now let me discuss if a die is thrown 1 time or 2 times. So how many sample spaces or how they can be written. You know very well, it's very easy. When a die is thrown 2 times or 1 time. So let's see. If a die is thrown only 1 time, so we have total number of faces are 6. In case of a die is there, then it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is something like this. This is your having 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. When it is thrown your 1 time, so any of the number appearing on this face can come like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So sample space will be there your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if coin is die is thrown 2 times, then the number may appear as your like this. This you can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It may be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for the first die. This is for the second die. So the first case will be your 1, 1. This one can be your 1, 2. This may be your 1, 3. This may be your 1, 4. This may be your 1, 5. This may be your 1, 6. क्योंकि फर्स्ट डाई पे 1 आ सकता है और सेकंड डाई पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 में कोई भी नंबर आपको अपीयर हो सकता है. इन द सेकंड केस 2 नंबर के साथ कोई भी नंबर अपीयर हो सकता है लाइक दिस 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 6. Next is your 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6. Similarly 4 के साथ फर्स्ट डाई पे 4 हो सकता है, सेकंड डाई पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 में कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है. तो दिस में भी 4, 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, and 4 6. Next is your 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, and your 5 6, and the last one is your 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, and your 6 6. So you can see that total number of outcomes will be all 36, and we have number of faces are of a die are 6. So it will be अगर one time throw करते हैं 6 to the power 1, total outcomes will be 6. अगर two times throw करते हैं तो 6 to the power 2 is your 36 outcomes will be there. I write down here. And if it is your thrown 3 times, then this is 6 to the power 3, which is 216, and which are not possible physically to write down all the simplest ways whenever die is thrown 3 times. So this is the case whenever die is thrown 1 time, 2 time, or 3 time. So let me discuss if card is drawn. What about the cards system? All the concept I am telling to you already discussed in your lower classes as well. I am just repeating to recall the concept so that we can do the question very comfortably, which are related to the class 12. Now, cards. We know that total number of cards in a pack are 52, and these are divided into, first of all, these are divided into two colors. Two colors, red color, and one second is your black color. These are 26. These are 26. 26 red color cards are there. 26 black color are there. And further, these colors are divided into further two suits. This is your heart. This is your diamond. This is your something having the shape of like this, and this is the shape of like this, and this is your club, and this is your spade. Club is your something like this, and this is your these are black in color, so I am darkening this one. This is also black in color, so this is 13 in numbers. These are 13 in numbers. These are 13 in numbers. These are 13 in numbers. And these 13 numbers are further divided as your, one is ace, one is king, one is queen, one is jack, one is 10, one is 9, one is 8, one is 7, one is 6, one is 5, one is 4, one is 3, and one is 2. So let me show you. This is something like this. So this is your having 13 cards, one ace, one king, one queen, one jack, 1 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And these three cards are known as your face cards. So all the 13 cards of these are the cards of hearts. Same 13 cards will be of diamond, same 13 cards will be of club, and same 13 cards will be of spade. So we have 3 cards of face card from heart, 3 from diamond, 3 from club, and 3 from your spades. So total face cards are 12 face cards will be there. We will having 12 face card total, 3 from heart, 3 from diamond, 3 from club, and 3 from spades. So these are the distribution of a card system. One more question may be there in whenever a marble is drawn or some balls are drawn from the bag, and this will depend upon the question to question. So these are the basic experiment which we have to do in your probability topic. So in the next video we will discuss about the 12th class topic, which is known as your conditional probability. We are going to start the topic conditional probability, and which we will be discussing in the next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.